Hey folks, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances with the Belling IHL773 induction hob. If you're on the hunt for a wider hob with simple functionality and quick heating, this might just be the one for you. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and whether it's worth adding to your kitchen arsenal. Meet the Belling IHL773, a 77 cm wide induction hob that's designed for those who appreciate a bit of extra space. While it may lack some of the fancy automated cooking programs found in its competitors, it offers straightforward operation, rapid heating, and a flexible zone for accommodating larger cookware. Sporting a width of 77 cm, the Belling IHL773 stands out with its larger size compared to the standard 60 cm hobs. Despite having 4 burners like most hobs, the additional space is cleverly utilized, offering more room around the burners. This means you can easily use larger pots and even slide a pan off a circular burner without moving it off the glass surface. Plus, when not in use, the entire surface can serve as a resting place for hot items. Now, let's talk about burner controls. The hob features 4 burners, each with its dedicated slider control at the bottom. The round burners can be controlled individually, but the real star here is the flexible bridge zone. It can act as 2 separate zones or merge into one high power zone with the link button at the hob's base. You've got a range of power settings from 1 to 9, and if you're in a hurry to boil water, there's a boost function accessible by hitting the beep button while adjusting the burner's power. Adjusting power levels is a breeze. Simply slide your finger up or down the scale. Just remember to use your finger flat on the slider for accurate selection. One thing to note is that power is distributed between the sides. This means only one round burner can be boosted, and the flexible zone can't be split for different power levels. Unlike some competitors, there's no sliding pan control for power adjustment. Timers are available for each zone, automatically turning off the power when they're done. Additionally, the hob memorizes the power setting for 2 minutes after you remove a pan. A minor quirk: accidental power button presses won't be remembered, so you'll need to manually reconfigure the settings. Now, let's talk materials and performance. The Belling IHL773 uses shot sarin glass, known for its durability and easy cleaning, a practical choice for any kitchen. Since this hob lacks automated modes, I put its basic performance to the test. With varying pan sizes, it heated 500 milliliters of water from 20 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius in decent times. While it's not the fastest, it's on par with other hobs in its category. Using a thermal camera, I observed even heating on the circular burners and the flexible zone. While there might be more advanced hobs out there, the Belling IHL773 impresses with manual control and solid heating speed. Wrapping things up, the Belling IHL773 stands as an excellent option for those seeking a wider induction hob without breaking the bank. While it might lack some bells and whistles, it gets the job done efficiently. So, if you're looking for affordability, a bit of extra space, and straightforward operation, this hob deserves a spot on your radar. That's a wrap for today's episode on Product Critique. Remember to give that thumbs up if you found this review helpful and subscribe for more insightful product evaluations. Until next time, keep exploring the world of home appliances, and keep those cooking adventures sizzling.